Hello students, welcome to Education with Difference, and today our topic is the role of wetlands in flood control and biodiversity. Wetlands, marshes, swamps and bogs cover only about 6% of the Earth's land area, yet they provide some of the most valuable ecosystem services on the planet. From controlling floods to supporting incredible biodiversity, wetlands are nature's superheroes. Today we explore why protecting wetlands is crucial for both the environment and human community. Wetlands are areas where water covers the soil, either permanently or seasonally. They serve as a transition zone between land and water and include marshes, swamps, bogs, and fens. Wetland stores up to 30% of the world's soil's carbon, more than the forest per unit area. These ecosystems filter pollutants, recharge groundwater, and act as a natural water reservoirs. So, how wetlands are connected to flood control? During heavy rains or storms, wetlands act like natural sponge. They absorb excess water, slowing down runoff and reducing flood peaks downstream. Here are some statistical data. Coastal wetlands reduce wave energy by up to 75%, protecting shorelines from storm surges. The loss of wetlands globally has increased flood damages by billions annually. In the cities, wetlands reduce pressure or stormwater systems and decrease flooding risk for millions. So, how wetlands as a hotspot of biodiversity? They provide habitat for over 40% of the world's species, including many endangered birds, fishes, and amphibians. More than 12 million people worldwide depend upon the wetlands for food, water, and livelihoods. And migratory birds use wetlands as critical stopover points during their journey. So, what are the threats to wetlands? Despite their importance, wetlands are disappearing at alarming rates. More than 35% lost since 1970 due to agriculture, urban development, and pollination. Due to these threats on wetlands, we are facing the consequences. Wetland loss worsen flooding, reduce water quality, and threatens wildlife. In some regions, wetland drainage has led to increased carbon emissions. So what are the steps can we do to wetland conservation and restoration? Wetland conservation helps mitigate climate change, protect communities, and preserve biodiversity. Here are some examples of success of restoration of wetlands. That restored wetlands in Mississippi Delta have reduced flood damage. Community projects in Pakistan's Indus Delta are reviving mangrove and supporting fisheries. Protecting wetlands are also allies with the Sustainable Development Goals for clean water, climate action, and life on land. So what you can do as an individual? Everyone can contribute to wetland protection. Avoid dumping waste or chemicals near water bodies. Support local conservation groups. Advocate for wetland-friendly urban planning. Wetlands might be seen as a muddy water and reeds, but they are vital for the life on Earth. Protecting them means safer community, richer biodiversity, and healthier planet. If this video inspired you, like, share, and subscribe for more environmental insights. Thank you.